Hi guys, so welcome to Vlogmas week 2. Today it's going to be a super exciting day actually. We have some apartment viewings. We actually have 5 apartments today, so I'm so excited to view them with my sis. She's right here. We're just waiting for the taxi and the first one cancelled on us, so kind of running late, but we moved. We have one at 1:30. It's 1:30 now. And then
it's not 1:33 actually.
Oh, okay, that's great. So
and that cab is still not arrived, which is
cab
great.
is still 5 minutes away, so that's fantastic. At least we have 4 others, if whatever.
I mean, it'll be fine.
Yeah,
just an apartment. Just
you've seen it online already anyway.
Seen it,
so
you know?
Because we might be moving in together officially. And I wanted to get out of this building, so the next one is hopefully going to be even an upgrade. So I can't wait to show you guys. Had a quick pit stop to take pics because we look cute. This is our viewing outfits of the day.
Wow.
What are you wearing?
So I'm wearing Miss Pat by Tilanica. Tilanica X Miss Pat collab.
Cute.
You can't see them.
Oh, the buttons. Oh yes.
Yeah. So they're half white, half black. So sick. Top shop jacket, turtleneck. Nasty got bad. I look cute. Let's face it.
I'm wearing Pretty Little Thing jacket, boohoo boots, and Pretty Little Thing bag. Super cute. Now wait to the second apartment. The first one was cute, but it was just a little bit too small. Like the bedrooms were too small. The living room was a bit too small. The living room was okay actually, but the views were amazing. Like the views were just unmatched. You could literally see the whole of Birmingham. And it had a gym. It did. That was what else did it have? It had a concierge. It had a lobby, and it had a what was it? Like a communal area. It had like this table, ping pong table thing for everyone to use. It had like a communal TV area. Cute, to be honest. But it's just the size was just a bit small. Price was a lot less than the next ones, but still. Yeah, so now we're on the way to the second apartment. This one is our favorite, so we're hoping that it looks just as good as in real life. And this one also has what does this have? Gym. This also has a gym, a concierge, and a communal lobby. So hopefully we'll love it. And we're kind of on time for this. Are we? So well, we're 5 minutes late, which is okay. I mean, that's amazing for us. That's okay. A lot bigger, and it has the built-in wardrobe.
Oh, nice.
So cute, right? And the view is really nice. I bet this at night is unreal.
Yeah, can you imagine?
So cute. Yeah, Grandy's hungry, so she's really not in the mood. But it's a little bit small, but it's not as small as the other place. So at the moment, this is my favorite, but we have one more to go. We'll see. We'll take my mask because ruined all my makeup. But the location is literally bang on pretty much in town where everything's going on. Yeah, I really like this place, to be honest, but we just have to weigh up the pros and cons of everything. And this also has a gym, like I said, so I'm really excited about this place. I can see myself. Look at this little lobby. So cute. Hey guys, so we just came back home from the viewings, and we were happy, but we weren't gassed, like we weren't excited. The views, okay, so the first one was really nice, but it was just so small. Like, does a miniature elf live in there? Like, I don't understand why it was so small. You guys will see in the vlog. It was really small, and there just wasn't that much storage space, and we need our storage, and there was only one bath. The next one was really cute, amazing views, amazing lobby. It had a gym, it had concierge, which we really need, but the spacing for the second bedroom just wasn't that big. I really need, obviously both need big bedrooms, so that was that. A bit gutted about that, but it was really nice. The finishing was so nice. There was a marble bathroom. Woo, it was a marble bathroom for me, and it was a lobby for me. But yeah, the third one was a no for me. It did not get me excited. No lobby, no concierge, no gym. Literally, there was a really nice roof terrace though. It was literally the views of the whole city, which was really cute. Didn't excite me, you know. And I want an upgrade from here, so really and truly, today wasn't that successful. But this thing's happened. We also have 2 more viewings tomorrow. This place is a lot bigger. It even has a balcony, and it has all the amenities of like concierge, gym, all of that kind of stuff, and the rooms look pretty decent. I hope that those will be the ones. But yeah, so we're just gonna chill now, gonna eat. We've got some takeaway food. We're gonna watch, what are we watching? I don't know.
Modern Love?
Oh, watching Modern Love. I tried it, but I haven't really gotten into it yet. We'll see. But guys, what you guys need to watch is, what's that show called? Love Life. It's on BBC, and it was a HBO show. But guys, that show is it. That's it. Like, it is literally so funny. I binge watched it, finished the whole season in like 2 days, and that is unlike me. So if you haven't watched Love Life, it is so good, guys. 100% watch it. But yeah, I hope you guys like my hair. It kind of frazzled out. It was so cute and curls today, but we move. But yeah, so we'll see you guys tomorrow for the second. This is my lunch of choice today. I'm having a little cheeky chicken wrap and then fries, because I am absolutely starving. So I'm so excited to eat this right now. So in town, we were just shooting.
It took me 3 attempts to get this picture.
Yeah,
but we got there, so thank God.
And the light is good, so we move. And my hands are freezing, by the way. Like, it feels like it's Antarctica right now. Can't feel my hands, but we move. These are our outfits. Oh, do my outfit of the day.
1 second, go.
This is the outfit we're shooting, and PLT, boohoo, PLT, and yeah, it's cutie.
Isn't she cute?
Very much autumnal.
You know, leather and trench. Chris has been learning that.
The Starbucks is completely empty. It's literally for aesthetic purposes. We bought, at least it's reusable, you know what I mean? But yeah. This is Grandy's look, by the way. So cute. She looks super cute. So just if you look to the right here, we have our bin bags of clothes.
She has an IKEA bag, guys. That's too far.
This is the reality. This is the reality of IG. I'm sorry, but you guys need to know.
Y'all need to know that we ain't going anywhere. It's a pandemic. Where we going?
Where we going? Oh yeah, and then this is where we get changed at New Street Station. Fun and fresh. Finish the shooting now. We're gonna treat ourselves to a cheeky little meal deal. You'd think like I'd say, oh, cheeky Wagamama or something?
Absolutely not.
Literally, eat for less, meal deal. And look how we're dressed. I'm literally wearing heeled boots, and I'm going into for less.
Dressed
This is a bougie for us. Look at the black, matte black decor. We love to see.
We're bougie.
The brown inside. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back home now. Just changed into some comfy sweats. This is all I wear inside. This is from Adidas. So what I have to do tonight is I have to edit a video. I have to edit a video which is my investment property video. I'm kind of nervous to upload it, honestly. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm going to upload that. And then I'm going to do a thumbnail for that. Then I can have my lunch. It's currently about 4 p.m. So we've actually got a lot done today. I also went to the investment property. Just had a little check over it. Yeah, so then I'm going to make dinner. But it's TMI, but it's that time of the month and I'm just not feeling the best, but it's okay. These things happen. We have to move regardless, you know. But I can't believe how much I got done. When I woke up this morning, I literally wanted to cancel the whole day, but I thought, do you know what? No, I cannot cancel today. So yeah, here we are. My arm is aching. Yeah, so I'm gonna get on and edit this video. Today's a pretty chill day. I just had some errands to run this morning. I had to go to get some more keys cut for the other apartment, the investment apartment. I'm so tired. I literally woke up at 7:30. That might be normal for some of you, but if you know me, that is not okay. But I'm trying to wake up earlier so I can get more done in the day. I just need some coffee. That's what I need. I've already had one coffee. It just didn't do anything. I need more. I need to inject it into my veins. We did end up cancelling the viewing for today because we found out that all the floors are carpeted. Like, how can you have an apartment with cream carpet? Like, maybe some people can handle that, but not me, boy. I literally spill things every day. We've booked some more on Monday. I'm gonna see them. They are, this one is so lush, guys. I hope we love it in person. It is a little bit pricier, but I think it's worth it, and it has concierge and everything. So it's between two at the moment. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me right now? Whoa, I feel like I need to put my makeup on all of a sudden.
Instagram versus reality.
Do you know what? It is what it is. My skin is looking sweet anyway, so. Okay, I'm being her slave today. I'm taking her hundreds of content.
This is my photographer. So that's Gratsi. I pay her in
what do you pay me in? That's not enough.
Wait, do you know when people do this? Like,
ew, that's very gross. I don't like that. I do not like that.
Because I have nice nails, so I can do these kind of.
No, honestly, I'll be like, yeah, so.
Oh no, it's people who do this, like.
Oh, and then this.
Yeah. See, I've never done those type of things before because I don't have the nails.
More time when you have to show a product, you have to do this because you know.
They might be like, it's too bad. Guys,
so serious.
The amount of times we've done that is too bad.
No, now I'm like, yes.
One time I literally had like stick-on nails, and I was like, okay, because I've had to do stuff like a video with my hands, so I stuck on loads of nails, and they were all just falling off as they
one
do.
By one.
So I had like 2 fingers left, and I was like this. I was like, so I was actually like, so this is the mascara. It was a shock.
That is big.
But now we have designs. We have designs. We have intricate things. Literally. You know?
Okay, I'm gonna go back to being a slave now.
Take my picture. Now we are all ready to shoot. I'm thinking, you know, like fridge background, you know, like just cute. I got my glass with my lemons. I'm literally made grass. She was outside. I was like, "Can you buy lemons?" I bought 4 lemons
just for this aesthetic.
One slice of it for aesthetic. It's all for the aesthetic, guys. But it's working. I put lashes on. Oh, so this is the beat. I didn't show you guys properly before, but this is the finalized beat, and I'm into it. Guys, why does everything look better with eyelashes on? Like,
yeah.
I just wish I didn't have to wear them, but.
Oh, you're doing out flick? Okay.
No, in flick.
Oh.
I don't know. I think it just wants to do whatever it wants to do, but it was definitely in.
Go.
Alright, let's do this thing. Is this weird here?
Yeah, I like it. I think you should move it to the edge so we can see a little bit of the corner.
Okay, we just have paintings on the floor in this apartment. Don't mind that. Nah, this is. Oh my! I think we got it.
Yeah, thank you. And that's a wrap.
The picture, look, guys. Come on. Can you get in? Get into it. Get into it. And that's on period.